All right, let's take a look at this guy. What happens to the velocity? Is this positive or negative acceleration? Okay, so I think right here we got a slope of 0. So I'm going to say the velocity is 0 to start with, and it gets to be negative, right? We have negative, this is getting more and more negatives until finally we have some fairly large negative velocity, right? Okay, so I think we're moving in this is, all these slopes are negative, except for this very first one is 0, right? Okay, but all of these guys are negative and they get more and more. It gets steeper and steeper in the negative direction. So I think we're moving in the negative direction. Negative direction. We have a negative velocity and we're speeding up, right? And the only way to do that is to have the acceleration and the velocity in the same direction. Okay? So we have a negative velocity and we have a negative acceleration. Okay? We're moving in the negative direction and speeding up. That's what's going on here, right? Moving in the negative direction and speeding up. It's also, by the way, negative because it's negatively concave. We get to the cave of it from below, okay? If it were a cave, it is concave. I suppose you could say it's convex upward, right? I don't know. But from below, it looks concave, so therefore it's negative acceleration. That's always true. So let's take a look at this graph. So there it is, right? This will display the velocity. Indeed, we start at 0 velocity. Notice that as time goes on, it gets to be bigger and bigger in the negative direction. You see that? That's going up and up and up and up and up and up and up in the negative direction until we get there and it's going negative 1.8. So it goes from 0 to 1.8, negative 1.8 in 10 seconds. So it has an acceleration of negative 0.18. Is that right? Yeah, I think so. All right.